In this lesson, we will learn about inserting a rollover image. A rollover image is an image which consists of two images of same size and exhibit two different states. In a rollover image, by default, an image appears in the screen. When the mouse cursor is up on the image, it shows the other state. That means to create a rollover image, we need to have two images of same size. We can create a rollover image using Photoshop. But before we do that, first let us decide in which cell we are going to insert the rollover image. Say for example, in this cell we are going to insert the rollover image. Let us find its sizes. It is around 100 pixel width and 125 pixel height. Now let us create two images of this size. Now go to Photoshop. Take a new document of 100 pixel width and 125 pixel height. First, create the first image. Fill some color. Take the type tool and type the text. In this way, I wanted to take the first image, a text image. Now let us save our image file. Go to File, Save As, save our file in our website folder, that is Custom Paint Booth folder. Give the name Rollover 1 and keep the format PNG. Click on Save. Now remove the text. I wanted to keep some photograph here. Go to File, Open. Here I have some images. Choose any one of the image. Okay. Click on Open. Copy the image into our document. Resize it. Set it to the size. Again, save this image in our Custom Paint Booth folder. This is our site folder. Give the name Rollover 2. Set the format to PNG. Click on Save. Okay. Now close Photoshop. Go back to Dreamweaver. Now place the mouse cursor in the cell in which we wanted to insert the rollover and go to the Common tabbed panel and go to Image and click on Rollover Image. Here, in this wizard, first we should enter the name. For that, I'm giving the name Motor, and load the original image by clicking on Browse. Take Rollover 1. And for the rollover image, click on Browse and take Rollover 2. So if we wanted to set any hyperlinks to this button or to this rollover image, we can set it here. Anyway, we see these hyperlinks in the later lessons. Now click on OK. So now we could insert a rollover image. Now let us see in the Internet Explorer. Save the file. Yes, it's working. See, by default, an image showing that heavy motor fan is displayed. When the mouse cursor is up, we can see the image of the fan. So in this way, we can set rollover images in web pages. Repeat. In this way, we can insert rollover images in Dreamweaver.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థాంక్యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.